Hello everyone, my name is Colette Locke and this is Hollywood Gossip. Since our theme is video games, I decided I would take a break from celeb feuds, romance, and general humiliation to discuss video games that will be turned into movies. Basically, I nerded out and it got messy. So let's throw a Pokeball and give an enthusiastic Hollywood Gossip, I choose you! There have been many video game turned movies that have been successful, and then you have some that should have had game over flash without any extra lives. One film that was a great hit was Disney's Tron Legacy, starring Jeff Bridges and Olivia Wilde. This film had it all: action, romance, sexy glow-in-the-dark jumpsuits. So it's no wonder the rumor mills have started about a sequel to Tron being in the works. With both director and producer of Tron Legacy opting out, the project seems to be frozen for the moment. Disney has reported they have hired writer David DiGilio to work on a sequel, but they're still not 100% sold on the idea, and are waiting to see if the new animated TV series Tron Uprising on Disney XD is successful in any way. Looks like the fate of our sequel rests in the hands of our country's preteens. Another video game turned movie series that was a success in the box offices was Lara Croft Tomb Raider films. And folks, I'm excited to report there will be a third film added to the series. However, before you start braiding your hair and putting on your spandex, don't expect to see Angelina Jolie. This film will be Jolie-free. How can they make this film any different from the first two? How about going back in time to before this bombshell Tomb Raider was Lara Croft? That's right, this film will be a character piece based on the story of Lara Croft and the other characters. Don't be discouraged by that though, there'll still be plenty of action and humor. And if that isn't enough, this prequel will be written by Mark Fergus and Hawk Otsby, the writing team that brought us the Iron Man films. Finally, onto the film I'm most personally excited about has been reported a movie based on the very popular computer game The Sims is in the works. The movie will be a live-action version, meaning real actors and actresses will be depicting the characters as opposed to animations. Who will appear in this film? How will the writer Brian Lynch portray this life simulation on film? Will the characters actually get to say real words? All the answers are being under tight lock and key, but I think it's safe to say people everywhere will be waiting on the edge of their seats to see this one. Well, thanks for gossiping with me. Join me again next week for all the juicy details in Hollywood. Pika, pika!